In this video, we will be discussing the fundamentals of grammar, where we will be discussing the parts of speech, and we will delve into each one of them, which are important and are most needed in the CAT for the CAT preparation. So the first one would be a noun. However, there are 8 parts of speech: verb, noun, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and an interjection. So let us, without further ado, let us just delve into the nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a word used to name a person, place, animal, thing, and an abstract idea. So as we know, nouns can be classified into various categories. The first is a noun gender. Noun gender means a noun that has a gender: boy, girl. Okay, a host, a hostess, headmaster, headmistress. So there would be a masculine gender and there'd be a feminine gender, and there would also be a neuter gender, that is the doctor, teacher, lawyer, which are neutral in gender. The second would be noun plurals. When we talk of singular and plural, we say a pen, and for plural, pens. So when the s is added after a noun, it becomes pens. Book, books. Okay. Then we have the possessive noun. When we talk of possessive noun, here we talk about the possession of a noun with respect to a single person or with respect to more than one person. So if it is a single person, the apostrophe, you would add an apostrophe after the noun and before the s. If it is a multiple possession, the apostrophe will be added after the s. Now then you have the proper nouns. What is a proper noun? A proper noun is a noun that represents a name of a specific person, place, or thing. Now, even the name of days, name of places, cities, name of people, name of books, name of universities will come under the category of proper noun. And a proper noun will always have a capital letter in the beginning of the word. Next is the common noun. What is a common noun? Common nouns are nouns that are found everywhere. That is books, paper, pencil, car, motorcycle, roads, and a road, and whatever what is found commonly. Then you have the concrete nouns. What is a concrete noun? A concrete noun is a noun that has the properties of tangibility, as in touch, see, and feel. And in this touch, see, and feel includes human beings, living animate nouns as well as inanimate nouns. So anything that can be touched, seen, and felt will be taken as a concrete noun. On the contrary, a material noun is a noun a material noun is a noun that is non-living, and a concrete noun is a noun that has the non-living and living nouns in its category. Then you have the abstract noun. An abstract noun is a noun that cannot be quantified or measured in a specific number, but it can be approximately stated. Like feelings. Then you have happiness, sadness, kindness, knowledge, power. Now the next is the countable noun. What is a countable noun? A countable noun is a noun that can be counted physically. In this case, a single noun, a singular and a plural noun will be counted as a countable noun because both can be counted. Say a pen and 2 pens, both are countable nouns. But how does it differ from a noun plural? That noun plurals are always and will always be plural. They cannot be singular. Okay, the word 2 pens come together and make it a countable noun. Okay, now we have the non-countable noun. What is a non-countable noun? A non-countable noun is a noun that cannot be counted. For example, the hair on a head. the drops of water in the ocean, stars in the sky, they cannot be counted. So therefore these are called non-countable nouns. But however, these non-countable nouns can be converted to countable nouns by adding an approximate value. For example, we say 250 milliliters of water. That means we are giving the noun a count in terms of the volume, not on the drops of water or any beverage. Now we have the collective nouns. What is the collective noun? A collective noun is a noun that has many nouns in combined together but taken as one single unit. Okay, examples are a class of students, a fleet of ships, okay, a fleet of cars, a herd of cows, an army of soldiers, okay, a murder of crows.